So in this Etsy tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to add an item to your basket here on Etsy. So once Etsy is opened up, I want you to go ahead and select an item of your choice. So let's just say, for example, you're just shopping, and we'll just go ahead and do the top 100 bestsellers, just as an example. We'll go to these, whatever these are right here. It'll bring me to a new page. So once you're here and you have this, you want to add it to your basket, etc. Look at this listing. You can go ahead and go to where it says add to basket right here and simply just go ahead and press on that. So if we just want to go ahead and just add whatever right here, we've added it to the basket. So once that is done, it's added to your basket. So if you go to the top right here, you can actually view your basket, which is what we're currently on. So your basket right here, this is what you added. If you want to remove it or whatever, you can just press on remove, and then it's removed from your basket. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to add an item to your basket here on Etsy. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.